Number 6. -4 times the quantity of 2x minus 6 less than x plus 2. On this problem, we have the distributive property, don't we? So we're going to distribute -4. -4 times 2x is -8x. -4 times -6 is a positive 24, less than x plus 2. Notice we don't have any more distributive property. We got rid of the parentheses. Now then, I like moving my x's to the left, move the numbers to the right. So the opposite of plus x is minus x. You put it at the beginning and end of the arrow. The opposite of plus 24 is minus 24. Okay, so -8x minus 1x is -9x less than 2 minus 24 is -22. This won't divide, will it? We're going to divide by -9. We're going to get a compound fraction or a mixed number, aren't we? So we'll have x, and we're dividing by a negative, so we're going to flip greater than 22 over 9, which would be 9 goes into 22 2 times with the remainder of 4, won't it? So this dot would be between 2 and 3, wouldn't it? So we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, and we need our 2 and 4/9 right here, don't we? And we're going to have an open dot on the 2 and 4/9, and we want x to be more than the 2 and 4/9. So x has to be more than the 2 and 4/9. And remember, if you solve it with the letter on the left, your inequality matches up to your arrow tip. The arrow has to be on the left, though. Okay, on number 7. On this problem here, we have fractions. I like getting rid of the fractions first. So we have 6, 3, and 4. We need the common denominator to get rid of our fractions. So I'm going to put 6 over here. 3 goes into 6, but 4 doesn't go into 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 goes into 12. 3 goes into 12. And 4 goes into 12. 12 is our LCM, or our common denominator in it. Okay, so I'm going to distribute 12 to every single term. Now then, 6 goes into 12 2 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. 6 goes into 12 2 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. That fraction just went away, didn't it? 3, a positive times a negative. A positive times a negative is a negative. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 2 is 8, and the letter is M. So 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 2m is 8m, isn't it? Greater than or equal to, 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now then, my equation has, or inequality has no fractions. I'm going to move across the 2. I'm going to get -8m greater than or equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, and I'm going to divide by -8. And I'm going to flip, aren't I? So I'm going to get m less than or equal to 1 over, or a negative 1 over 8. Okay, so I'm going to put 0 in the middle. -1 over 8 is like right in here, right by the 0, isn't it? I need a closed dot over the -1 over 8. And my letter has to be less than all of the -1 over 8. Or -1 over 8 has to be smaller than my m's. So my arrow is going to go to the left. Notice my inequality matches up to my arrow tip because I put the letter on the left.